4-hour flight to Tokyo.
It washed off, it was all a prank, I don't actually have a time. Hey people, we are in Japan. Katsu curry times 2.
Morning everyone. Too early for him this morning, so it is 7:34. We've been awake since 5 AM and we've got a half an hour ride to the airport, and then we'll have a flight in an hour and 20 minutes to Manila, and then we'll have 2 hours 20 in Manila, and then a 4-hour flight to Tokyo. So we've been through security and everything, and it's another tiny airport.
Tokyo!
Did you tired this morning?
It washed off, it was all a prank, I don't actually have a time.
There it is.
The plastic came off, so...
Yeah, his cling film came off the scuba man, but still on the boat. What was the pin out of 10 for the time?
5.
What was the spicy 3?
10.
Oh, it's gonna be a long day today, isn't it? So we're now at our gate number 2, and I think we'll board in about 5 minutes. We actually thought this morning that our flight might be cancelled because there was so much rain and thunder. So our flight arrives from Manila in 15 minutes, and then it takes back up again to Manila at 10 to 9. We ever thought our flight might actually be delayed because of the hard thunder, but we've got clear skies now, which is good. Time to board the plane! Time to board the plane!
Step up the game on the leg space. It's fucking ridiculous.
Now we need to change terminals, have some dinner, and then get on the next one. We're only halfway. 2 hours and 20 minutes. So not a long time. So we've had to walk out of the airport and get on another bus. We'll walk to Terminal 3. Oh, this is right anyway. Okay, that wasn't the right one. I think we're going in like a little buggy type thing instead. Right, we're on the right one now. I got a Shake Shack because they have very few food options in here. I got a chicken burger, and I got some cheesy fries, and I got some chicken nuggets. going to
described.
Japan.
In case of emergency, please.
You're still not walking up yet.
Sa mga panauhin nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger brief.
Let's go to Japan. Let's go to Japan.
Hey people, we are in Japan. Welcome to Japan. Tokyo to be precise. We're just going to go to immigration and figure out how to get the hotel. It's getting night now. Keep our wits about us a little bit, but I think we'll be alright in Japan, to be honest with you. I don't think it's too bad. I think it's probably somewhat safer than the Philippines. So yeah, we'll see us on the train to the hotel. Right, not on the train, but we're going into the train. We're going to Nepori. Right, we're now at our first stop, swapping to Yamanote, number 11. It's busy as fuck. I think the culture here is you're not really meant to film loads of people, so forgive us if not filming people a lot. I'm pretty sure that's what the crack is over here. Quite respectful of each other. Stick to the left if you don't want to walk. And this is it. It's not too busy, we're being on watch. Our bags are up there. Our vehicles away. We're off the second train now. Going to our hotel. I think it's like a 10-minute walk. Not too far. And we're off. This is what Tokyo, Japan looks like at night. We went the wrong way, as per usual, but we know where we're going now. You've got these little vending machines everywhere. Where else did they have them? Singapore. 6 o'clock this morning we left the hotel. It's now 9 o'clock at night, which is 15 hours?
Well, we're an hour ahead now, so we'll be 14
hours, we're an hour ahead. Yeah. Right, we're on a bit of a main street bit here. So we need to cross over, but we only cross when there's a green man, I believe. I'm certain of it. Because it's like jaywalking, like America. So I want to cross over when these cross here, when the man turns green. Green, but 11 seconds. Is that 11 seconds? Oh no. And then cross here as well. And I think we'll just follow this road for a little while. Oh fuck, we missed our turn. It's up here. Right, so we're pretty much here. There's 7-Eleven at the bottom of our street. Perfect, because we're going to go get some scran there now. I'm not really bothered about sitting down here. Are you?
No, kind of just want to
chill.
drop the bags off, go get food.
Into call it, yeah.
Have a shower.
Yeah.
And then we just get in bed.
Yes, I agree. Right, here we are, Takadanobaba. Right then, I think it's a self-check-in type thing. We're going to take a picture of ourselves and pretty much that's it. Now we're going to wait. Room number confirmation, pin number confirmation.
Room number confirmation, we'll not need that first. No.
424.
And then pin number.
We're in now. Oh shit, there's a step there, watch out. Telly. That's huge, that. And a bed. And aircon. And a sink. And a stove.
A stove? Is there an American?
A stove?
A stove?
Shut up. Microwave.
A fridge.
A kettle.
A fridge with an ice tray.
Honestly, we've finally got a fridge. Fucking come on, can't? And loads of stuff. Yes.
They've actually given us hot water.
My shoulders are aching so much. And the bathroom. Hello, Jonathan. It's like a caravan toilet.
Who's fitting up on?
I am not fitting in there. There's no plug for it. Oh wait, no, there is a plug. So we're going to 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
I'm going to do a temperature check. Because we've been used to like 30 degrees on the night, haven't we? Is that right? Like 28?
Well, yeah, high 20s, I think.
Right now, it is 23 degrees.
23.
23.
That's at least a solid.
And it's going to get colder into the night. Gets up to 21 degrees during the night.
Even not need the aircon off.
Right, 7-Eleven. We're here. And ain't that bad. Do you do it? Hello. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Oh, they've got like. Oh, yes, they've got loads of katsu curry. Rather than me. Tell you what else there is. Nice. How much is that then? That's 580 yen for that, which is huge. What's this? 7-Eleven chicken, sweet vinegar and tartar sauce. That looks nice, that'll be fair. Chicken, sweet vinegar and tartar sauce. I think I like that, man.
Tartar sauce, I thought like what you have with fish at all when you get fish and chips.
I'll try that.
Oh, these are spanking tonight.
I'll share them with you. Right, I'm just going to have a look at the drinks side now. I'll just go for a standard Coke Zero.
Some water as well.
Yeah, the water's behind you. Alright, so that's your change, yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
お釣りとクーポンをお受け取りください。お取り忘れご注意くだ
And
さ
then
い。
there's some of the change. What the hell?
This is so high tech for me.
This is really high tech. Right, so we're back now. This is what we've got. Katsu curry times 2. What's that? Sweet corn dumplings. And I got this. I think I showed you, but like, it's not warm. But surely I can heat that up. That can be heated.
I'm not sure about the sauce, to be honest.
What's wrong with if the sauce gets heated up?
I don't know.
What's going to happen if the sauce gets heated up?
Yeah, I don't know.
Shall I try cold one?
Yeah.
Ready?
Not really him.
That'd be lovely, try that.
No, I don't like tartar sauce.
You cannot taste that from it. Here you go.
I'm not sure about the sauce. I don't
What
know.
happens if you heat the sauce? What do you mean?
I don't know. You're not meant to reheat some things.
Are you not?
No. Oopsies.